Hey guys, this is going to be episode 4 of Deadbolt. I'm pretty excited. I hope you are too. Those eyes though. Alright, load. Come on. There we go. Let me make sure my sound is good. Yeah, it's good. Right. Alright. Let's get right into the video. Attempting to lead his creed to salvation, a man with ambition cannot live with me. Roland's house is filled with many guards, but the only target is Roland. I separate him from his men. His death will shatter the zombie king's leadership. I must remember that the mission is to kill Roland, not the others. Okay. We all know I'm still gonna kill like everybody though. Ooh. That's what Roland looks like. Looks pretty cool. Nice beard. Oh, there he is. We've got guns on every floor, Reaper. Go home. We both know that's not happening. Alright. Okay, well, best... I guess I'll just go here. Oh, that's a dope looking axe. Okay. Alright, you're dead. We're gonna run over here. You're dead. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna wait for him to start. Come on. Alright, come on. Come on. As soon as he starts walking left, I'm gonna stab him. I hope this sledgehammer's good. I missed. No! Ah! Okay, well, you can't throw it. I didn't expect to be able to throw it, though. Yes, okay. Now, I believe this can kill people through floors. Oh, well, not... I meant to say shoot, not kill. Okay. Let's go. God, wait, hold on. How am I supposed to get... Oh my gosh, I'm so stupid. No, no, no! Oh, wow, that was terrible right there. No! Oh, okay. He doesn't have a head. No, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Oh my gosh, that was really close to dying there. Oh, there's the head. Oh gosh, Roland knows that I'm over here. Oof, oof, oof. Come on, come on. I dare you. I dare you. I triple dog dare you. No, Roland, stay away. Stay away, stay away. No! Run away. Turn off the lamp. No, okay. Whatever. I'm just gonna... Dang it, I want that shotgun. Okay, okay, okay. No! Okay, well, now I can go get the shotgun. I want to kill Roland with the sledgehammer. So that would be really cool. He's down there getting for cover. Ooh! Man. Oh, maybe that switch. Oh, that oh. But... Oh, okay, there we go. Where'd Roland go? Oh, he's over there. Okay, okay. Where does this light switch go to? Oh, okay, there we go. Maybe should I do, no, I feel like sawed off would be better. Oof, right here. Boom. I'm gonna try and make a... Really? I'm trying to... Alright, yeah, you know, I'll just... Oh, yeah. Did he not see me? Yo. There we go. He saw me. Alright, got cover. He should come investigate, and I'll bam, blow him to bits. Okay, I blew his head off. Wow. Ethan, great moves. Keep it up. Proud of you. Alright, come on. I dare you. Oh my gosh, that was so close. Now all I have is weapons. Like, melee weapons. What do I have to do? Oh, okay. I go to the car. Where's my... Is that my car? Oh, it looks different than from what I remember. Oof, why? Come on. Oh, wait, hold on. Where's this lead to? Oh. I'm just gonna go yeet. I'm gonna throw it. Get wrecked, noob. Oof. Come on. No. Oof. Why won't you die? No. Run. Okay, there's a gun over here. I'm good. I'm just running for days. Okay, yes. Boy, get wrecked. Oh, no. There's another. Oof. Okay. I'm good. We're good. Why? Oof. Okay, I think that's everybody. Shouldn't mess with me. Bam! This freaking sledgehammer is dope. Yay! Did that in first try, right? I didn't die at all. Heck yeah, 18 kills, 0 deaths. I could have gotten a 3-star if I wanted to. Okay, that's not bad. I'm at 50 souls. Well, I did pretty. That's the worst one I've done so far. 2-star. Oh yeah, I forgot. I gotta go to the campfire thingy. Alright. The flames roar to life. Pale moonlight. Touch. No heat. Vampires flock. Find out why. Dancing vampires won't notice you're present unless you shoot them. Tall undead said to be formed by betrayal from a lover. They are much more dangerous than zombies. I'll have to make sure that every shot counts. Mirror. Look upon your reflection, said the fireplace, and remember that you are different. You are not undead. Alright. A Reaper? Ha. And the Boogeyman too. He comes for you too. Hehe. I love how the zombies just roast the vampires. Okay, so they won't notice me. But they will. Okay. Oof, okay. Well, I hit him. He ain't dead, though. Oof, okay. These dudes won't notice me. Alright, we're good. Dead. Oh, headshot. Is there no... Oh, I can't even shoot them. What? Nope. Okay, 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 alright. Okay, you just took way too many bolts, dude. There we go, he's dead, he's dead. Run, 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 run. I think he'll notice me, though. I don't want to risk it. I don't want to risk it. What am I supposed to do? Oh, okay, there's a gun there. No, 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 you kill your own people if you shoot me. Oof, okay. Okay, they're coming at me from both sides. Why? No, 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 leave me alone. Okay, he's going. Stay, stay. Are they both gonna do that? I'm gonna rage if they're both gonna do that. Okay, they're not. Okay, he's doing the hide. Oh, there's a vent. Yes, that is exactly what I need. Alright, why didn't I use this before? I can turn off the lights. Oh, there's a pistol. Oh wait, no, I already used that, didn't I? Yep, and there's a guy there. But I can go for the gun. Duh. Come at me, come at me, come at me. No, I was supposed to be behind cover. Bull crap. I'm just gonna turn off the lights. No. Turn off the lights. Oh, they're right here. Oof. Okay, okay, okay. Got both of those. Okay, got them. Come at me, come at me, come at me, I dare you. I love just killing him, it's so satisfying. Okay. Run. Okay. Got a key card. I'm gonna come in behind. Yes. I hope I have enough shots. Okay, I was like aiming, just about to kill him. Yes. Oh, I didn't even notice. Okay, got that. I think that I'm gonna be good this one. Drop here. Ammo. Okay. Just like 2 guys. What? No way. I love just killing them from just headshots. It's beautiful. Come on, I don't care. Come at me, come at me. You won't, you won't. I'll kill all of you. I did what I had to do to survive. Take the key card? Okay. Where am I supposed to find information? Oh wow, there's just a huge pile of... Oh, right there, safe. Well, there's still a guy up there. I'm gonna have to kill him. Look inside. Envelope. Envelope full of money. Ooh, probably club earnings. And the envelope contains a date 2 weeks from now and an address. Okay. Hold on. I want to kill that guy up there. No survivors. No witnesses. As soon as he turns around, I'm gonna gun him down. Yes, okay. And then I go to my car. One down, 22 kills. 4-star. 15, nice. Alright, well, that's gonna do it for this episode. I will see you guys later.